Hello, and welcome to today's Focus on the Test mini lesson. Welcome to all of our subscribers, and thank you very much for joining us. Also to our students, continue the excellent progress that you're making, and remember that your labor is not in vain. It will pay off in the end. If you're an adult seeking to earn your high school credential, be sure to check out our website at www.yourpathforadultlearners.com, where you can learn more about our online GED and Hiset program. So now on to our lesson for the day.
So hello everyone. So in today's lesson, we're going to discuss how to find the parameter and the area of a triangle. So we're going to look at a few of these problems. I'm going to look at problems 1 and 2, and my students can actually do the remaining of these problems. So let's go to our whiteboard. I am going to actually cut this example here so that I can paste it to my whiteboard. Okay, so let's discuss the first triangle that we have here.
Enroll in Your Path today and get access to what our students get access to daily. Get access to online personalized GED, Hiset, and TABE courses, 24 hours, 7 days a week, individualized instructional guidance and a progress plan, study workbooks, learning materials and tools to reinforce your learning, tutoring, cap and gown, diploma cover, certificate of completion, test fees reimbursement, professional career academic coaching from IFC certified coaches, and next step services. Enroll today. Your Path wants to take a moment to congratulate its 2022 graduates. Congratulations, graduates, a job very well done. We are looking forward to more graduates. You still have time. 2022 is not over yet. Your Path would like to congratulate all of our seniors, those with 1 or 2 exams to complete before earning your high school equivalency diploma. We would especially like to congratulate Mr. Antone, a senior in our program, on earning perfect Hiset scores in social studies and science and passing his RLA exam at the near college readiness level. Congratulations to all of you, and shall we all get ready for testing so that we can graduate in 2022. Your Path is hosting the 2023 National Graduates 5K Walkathon event to celebrate academic achievement across the nation as we promote adult literacy and basic education to bridge the achievement gap between non-high school completers and graduates. Wear your doctorate, master's, bachelor's, and high school cap and gowns and come and walk with us to support a worthy cause. This event will take place at the Washington Monument Ground on Saturday, May 6, 2023, between the hours of 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. To register, visit our website at www.yourpathforadultlearners.com. We hope to see you there, and thank you for your participation and support.
Now, when you are finding the parameter, the formula is P equals A plus B plus C. So basically, finding the parameter is quite simple. It's very easy because all you're doing is adding all of these measurements up. Okay, so you're getting the sum of the measurements that goes around the triangle. All right, so let's calculate. We're going to bring up our calculator and we're going to add up these measurements. So we have 18.7 plus 10.3 plus 15.6, and we have 44.6. That will be the measurement for your parameter. So your parameter is going to be 44.6 feet. Okay. Now, to find the area, the formula for area is A equals A stands for area. The base times the height divided by 2, or you may also see it written as A equals half the base times height. Okay? Both of these formulas will actually work. It is not difficult to find the area either. While the parameter may be easiest to find, the area is quite simple as long as you remember the formula. So we're going to key in the information that we have here. So we have A equals, the base of this triangle is at the bottom. This is your base here, okay? So the measurement for the base is actually 15.6 feet, okay? Now we're going to multiply this times the height. Your height is vertical. So this here would be your height. The height is 10.3. When we multiply these two, let's go to our calculator. We have 15.6 times 10.3 equals, and that's going to give me 160.68. And the next step that I'm going to do is divide this by 2, according to my formula. Okay? So when I divide this by 2, divided by 2, I have 80.34. So my area is 80.34 feet squared. And you want to make sure that you have the right measurements in terms of feet squared or feet, because that's very important. So for your area, it's going to be feet squared, okay? So this is my area for this problem here, number 1, okay? Now, let's clear the board and we're going to look at triangle number 2. Okay, so I'm going to copy and paste this triangle here. Let's go to my whiteboard. I'm going to paste it. So now let's do the same thing for triangle number 2, okay? So for triangle number 2, I'm going to actually, let's talk about triangle number 2. For triangle number 2, we know that when we're finding the parameter, all we're doing is adding the measurements around the actual shape, okay? So the measurements around the shape are here, okay? This is not included. This here, the 6 centimeter, is only the height. It is showing me how tall this triangle would be, right? So it's giving me the height of the triangle. But this measurement should not be included in the parameter, all right? So now to find the parameter, we know that we're only adding. So we're going to clear our calculator and we're going to add what's around the triangle. So we have 10.2 plus 4.2 plus 7.3. And my parameter is going to be 21.7 centimeters. Okay, so I can write that here. 21.7. And you want to include your measurement, which will be centimeters. Okay, now the next thing I'm going to find is my area. Remember, you want to make sure that you're familiar with one or the two formulas. Either A is equal to B times the height, that is the base times the height divided by 2. And you can write it that way, or you can write it this way. It doesn't matter. It all means the same, or you can write it as 1/2 times the base, which is the same as saying your base is divided by 2. That's what that means, times the height. Okay? So all of these formulas, they mean the same. Okay? Now, we're going to take this information, and since I used this particular formula when I solved for when I solve for triangle number 1, I'm going to actually use this one here for triangle number 2 so that you can see the difference, okay? So we have area equals the base, and my base is 4.2. I'm going to divide this by 2 if I'm following this formula here, and then I'm going to multiply this times my height, which is right here. So my height is going to be 6. So let's look at our calculator. Let's bring up our calculator, and we're going to clear it. 4.2 divided by 2 will give me 2.1. Oh, actually, I put the 6 here for height, so I was correct. Okay. And then I'm going to, that's 2.1. Then I'm going to multiply this times 6. So 2.1 times 6 will give me 12.6 as my area. And this area is going to be in centimeters squared. Okay, so this here will be my area for this triangle here. Okay, so I hope that this lesson has helped. I'm sure that it will help my students as they are required to complete this lesson in their coursework. I wish all of you a blessed day. Bye-bye.
So good luck testing. Thank you very much for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, share, and hit the notification button down below so that you're notified on our new releases. Also, join us on our other social media platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram.